Hey guys, welcome back. I have an Ipsy bag unbagging and a recipe to share with you today. So I hope you're ready. And you see this girl's got her ball, so we're set to go. I actually got this in Thursday. I was going to film Friday. I just didn't get around to it. I don't remember what happened Friday. And off she went to change the world. And this is absolutely perfect for me for the season that I'm in at the moment. I love this. I love the color. It's kind of a rose gold color. And that is kind of just embossed in there. Pretty nice. And yes, I need to repaint my nails already again. Why can't polish last forever? Okay, let's see what we got. Bubbly, bubble tea. I always call it bubbly. Lemon grass and green tea. Stimulating body lotion. Stimulating? That's what it says. Maybe that'd be a good thing to have at work. Let's smell it. I love all things lemon right now. Like, that smells nice. It smells very fresh. I am definitely taking that to work with me today. To keep on my desk. My hands tend to get dry during the day, as it is, especially right now between heaters and air conditioning going back and forth. We either are really humid or really dry. As you can tell, my hair is halfway straight, which means that it's not very humid outside, and it's great. And I just bought a new mascara, and I think I got an elf, and I'm not sure. I have to go look. But this is by Tarte. It is Man-Eater. I'm trying to think if I put mascara on this morning or not. I don't think so. I really like the Tarte mascara. I have one from one former box. And I just don't, I haven't replaced it with the same brand. You guys, kind of hard to do. Nice. Now my eyes, now I understand why they felt naked. I forgot to put mascara on this morning. This is perfect. So that's number 2. Let's see what this is. This is Shimmer Squad by Lottie out of London. The Good Girl. This is going to be, let's see. I need to pull it out and see because I don't know. Looks like a bronzer, which I honestly have never really used bronzer. I know, I'm so out of the loop. That is a beautiful shade. Nice. Let me see. I'm gonna have to probably put my glasses on to figure out the color and all that good jazz. I don't like putting them on after I put on mascara though. Let's see. I can't even read that. You guys, I'm old. I'm an old lady. I'm an old lady. That's all there is to it. Oh, that's very intriguing. This is lip. This is also by Tarte. Oh my goodness, Shelby, why? No, it's not. You guys, it's the lighting. You put your, this is by, let me see if the card will tell me, because some of this print on here, it's National Women's History Month. Thank you. This is Ciate from London. It's a mini lip luster in Call Me is the color. And if you can see this, it's like a very glittery watermelon-y pink. to me. Looks like a pink. This reminds me of a watermelon Jolly Rancher as far as color wise. This is actually, I told you guys it was a bronzer. It's a highlighter. Silly me. And the Good Girl, and the Good Girl was the color. So, okay. I love it when they give you information because, oh, this is a very pretty brush. This is the short shade brush from Slim. SL Miss Glam. YouTuber and Broody Guru Stephanie Lewis created this line of high quality synthetic brushes that look so pretty in your brush jar. And it does. I love it. It's got that glittery, a rose gold glittery glitter in it. And I love that it, very pretty. So yay, thank you Stephanie for creating something so beautiful. So there you have it. That's what we got. A brush, a highlighter, mascara, lip gloss, and this bubble tea. And I keep calling it bubbly. And that is trash. And now I'm gonna hop into one of my favorite marinades for pork tenderloin. It is sweet, it is spicy, it's got a kick, but it forms this just glaze that when you stick it on the grill, it, I don't know, it just coats it so beautifully. So I'm gonna show you how I make the marinade and rub it down. I'm gonna shove it in my ice box, and then I'm gonna actually come home and grill it for dinner and make some spicy, creamy garlic noodles to go with it with some steamed broccoli and grilled garlic ciabatta bread. That is my menu for today. What of that I show you? I don't know. I don't want to make promises I don't keep and follow through with because I won't watch this little clip until later. And so let's hop into the marinade. That you can use, I have used it on this pork tenderloin. I have gotten a large a pork loin and cut it into really thick pork chops. This works just beautifully on pork. I imagine it would be great on chicken as well. So if you're not a pork eater and you like to eat chicken, whether it be grilled or baked, I've never baked this. I'm sure it would be beautiful. I would just put it on a rack where it's not sitting in, I don't know. It just makes a beautiful coating on it that I would hate for it to sit in a lot of liquid and just become something that it was never created to become. So there you go. That's my spiel, my idea, and let's hop into this. Okay, so here's your lineup of suspects. You've got a twin pack pork tenderloin, some brown sugar, some chipotle chili pepper, and I highly recommend that. That is one of my secret ingredients that I put into every single thing I make almost. And just a dash makes such a difference. And it can get spicy, so you kind of need to work with your own spice level, but it is so good. Then you have garlic salt, some soy sauce, and a little bit of sriracha. So I'm going to mix the marinade. I'm going to let you guys see that. And then we just put it on top of this pork tenderloin, stick it in a dish, stick it in your fridge to marinate. Sometimes I don't marinate it over all day long. Sometimes I do. I prefer it when I do because it just lends that much more flavor. I would not recommend, I don't know. I've never tried to do the marinade and marinate it before I froze it. I know there are people that do. I'm not sure how this particular marinade would work that way. So let's go. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be.
Alright guys, as you can see I have it on the grill. I just put it on. It'll probably cook about 10-15 minutes on each side. I'll time it and just see how long it takes. And I will show you the finished product at the end.
Charlie Brown, you can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high. Oh, 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 oh. You and I to the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together, everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We did so many stupid things together.